Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to add adjustment layer in Capcut on mobile. So to add adjustment layer in Capcut in mobile, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Capcut account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and here you need to go ahead and select new project. When you do that, go ahead and select the project that you wish to add it. I'm going to go with this one and click the add button. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and here you need to scroll down a bit and go to adjustment section. As you do that, you could go ahead and add any of these adjustments, such as brightness, contrast, saturations, and all of these. So in my case, I'm going to go with the contrast, and when I press on it, I could go ahead and expand it, or I can go ahead and decrease it. So likewise, you could go ahead and tap on the text or a tick icon, and here you could go ahead and adjust it accordingly by tapping on it and erasing the part that you no longer need it. That's how you could go ahead and add adjustment layer in Capcut on mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.